Hello, hello. So today I'm doing this mask. It's Mask Monday, hashtag Mask Monday. I am using this mask. This is from the Dollar Tree, I think. Beauty Host Refreshing and Moisturizing Cucumber Facial Mask. Ooh, okay. I definitely needed this. Oh my gosh. So this is my last day off. I go back to work tomorrow. I feel like I haven't had any time off because we spent so long cleaning our house. We had an appraiser coming up because we are refinancing. I can't speak. We're refinancing our house, so we spent all this time cleaning. Oh my god! I think we even started cleaning the day I came home, and I'm always like, I don't want to do anything. Besides the basement, my makeup room is probably now the worst in the house. Besides maybe the attic, in which case it's not finished. Interestingly enough, we found a woman's stocking hanging up there. We don't remember that being up there, so that's really weird. We left it there. We found a dead bird. We have no idea how it got in, so that's something else too. We haven't been up there in years. Oh my gosh. But, and anyways, so it leads up today. Oh my gosh. The appraiser came in. She was in and out in like 15 minutes. It was like, yeah, she could have at least said it looked nice and clean. She didn't say nothing. Oh man, so, yes. So instead of continuing to pay the 17 years left, hopefully we'll just pay 10 years. Our price will go up per month, but a little bit. But yeah, we'll have it paid off in 10 years then instead of 17. So hopefully our house is worth more because they're building a train station across from our house. Oh, this is so nice and cooling. I needed it. I barely kept up with my skincare and I really need to do that. So anyways, so yes, so this feels nice, whatever this is. If this is from Dollar Tree or maybe it's from Target, I don't know. I'll have to look, but it does say cruelty-free and vegan. There's a lot of extra stuff left in there too, which is actually kind of nice. Maybe I can use it tomorrow morning before I go to work or something. But hopefully it's not going to be too busy. The lady that I pick up from, she told me that she didn't have to order me a whole lot, so that's also a plus. Okay, what's next? Oh, wrestling news. Oh my god. Wrestling. Oh my god. So, wrestling is doing very good. Whether you like all wrestling or only like certain promotions, we got it going on. So CM Punk returned. He joined AEW. And I'm so excited because I'm going to AEW's Rampage, Dynamite, and All Out in the beginning of September. And so I'm going to see with my husband, we're going to see CM Punk versus Darby Allin. And I'm so excited for that. That's awesome. CM Punk wrestled before my time in that I wasn't watching wrestling when he was in WWE, but I will get to see him wrestle now, so that's awesome. And then the next day at WWE's SummerSlam, Becky Lynch came back, and I'm so excited for that too, even though I do not like what they did with her match with Bianca Belair. The match lasted a whole bunch of 27 seconds or something like that. Bianca Belair deserved better, Becky deserved better, and now I hear that they're bringing her in as a heel. They tried turning her heel when she got over with the crowd last time, and it didn't work. And they let her be like an in-betweener, kind of like Stone Cold Steve Austin. Well, anyways, I love Becky. I don't know if that'll get me to watch wrestling again, though. I mean, watch WWE again, though, because they already fucking screwed her up. So they supposedly it's going to be a whole feud with her and Bianca. Of course, Becky won the Women's SmackDown belt off Bianca because Bianca held it. So basically, they Kofi Kingston Bianca because she didn't hold it for that long. That sucks. So, but anyways, we got both of them, so that's awesome. I'll probably just watch the Becky stuff on What Culture until the WWE can prove that they're actually writing well for the wrestlers that they have, because I love most all of their wrestlers. Anyways, so we got that out of the way. I just watched Elevation tonight, AEW's Elevation. That was really good. If you are interested in watching wrestling, you should watch that because it had a lot of great matches in it. Oh my gosh. So also, yes, my videos I have still been daily uploading, but because I've been doing all this cleaning and stuff, I know I have been pretty lax, so yeah, this video is coming out late. But yesterday I did do a very short thing with my Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, let me cover up my address. This is how it came. So it was open. It was open. This is the straight line of where it should be closed. So I didn't lose anything, but the brush that's in it was about out here, but it was stuck to it with the sticky stuff from the envelope. So, and I have seen a lot of people lately saying that their packages were shipped open and then they didn't have anything left. But again, you can see they almost did that to me too. Now we do have, I'm just going to go over this because it was a super short video yesterday. It was a shorts basically. So this is a nice little snakeskin, faux snakeskin type envelope bag. I still wish they would just get rid of the bags because we don't need them. So I'm going to show you the brush. So here's the brush. You can kind of see where the residue of that tape was. Luckily it's not actually on the brush itself. This is a Farrah brush. It says Be Beautiful Be You. This is a short shading brush, 45E. By the way, here's the little card. Now, interestingly enough, this does not list the information on the inside anymore. Previously, these ones were the ones that were getting the information about what's in your bag, and the Glam Bag Plus did not have that information listed. So I didn't get the Plus this month because I got my Glam Bag X, so I don't know if it lists that information or not. Okay, the next thing we have, this is the Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Over Washed Hands by This Works. Now, I really wanted to like this. I did try it out, and I do have really dry hands right now for some reason, probably from all the cleaning I did. I will use this because it's nice and tiny, and it'll help me save room in my bags for work. I especially have really dry in between my fingers for some reason. It's very thick. It does feel like it will moisturize very well, but it has a pretty strong herbal scent. I don't think it's enough to turn me off from actually using it, only because it's small. It's deluxe sample size, whatever. I will use it, but it definitely has a scent. Okay, and the next thing we have, this is the Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser from Feel. I did smell this too. I didn't use it, but I smelled it. It has a little bit of scent, but I can't place what it is, and it's not very bad. It's not very powerful. So I will definitely use that. Okay, the fourth to last thing we have is a Ciate London Wonder Wand Mascara. And nice little travel size. However, I will say the mascara only coats about half of the wand, and I can't get it to coat the rest. Swear to God. So I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it's only on. I mean, it's barely on. I tried pressing that into my hand, and that's all I got. So that's actually kind of interesting. So I'll try that out maybe tomorrow. And then the last thing I have in the bag, this is a full-size item, I believe. This is a Sophia plus Maybell. This is Juice Bar Lip Oil. I don't know why they call it lip oil. It's a lip product. I don't know. It has a little bit of a scent. It's not a bad one. It's pretty pleasant. Coats the lips pretty good. No taste. So that's kind of nice. You don't get a whole lot of product out each time that you pull the wand out, but that's okay. All in all, not bad. If you get Ipsy or you are contemplating getting Ipsy, they are upping their prices. I think that the regular Glam Bag will be $13 now, and then the Plus will be $28. So not terrible, especially for the Plus, given what you get. I think price increases are inevitable. I think if you do pay for like a year in advance, you get locked in at the price that's here now. But whatevs. I'm probably going to cancel the when I can. I'm probably going to cancel the base bag, so whatevs. It's okay. Other than that, I'm super tired. My back aches. It doesn't hurt. It aches just because of all the work I've done. I told my husband already, don't ask me to do a goddamn thing. And my next day's off. And hopefully I'm not busy at work, because I think the kids are back in school now. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm a daily uploader. Upload every single day. Definitely at least until February 5th next year, which is when I turn 40 years old. So we are over half a year now, daily uploads. Not many people can say that they've done that for a whole year on YouTube, so I'm getting there. I like makeup, beauty, wrestling, and the Rocky Horror Picture Show. That will come after October. We have 3, I think. There's my dog. We have 3 Halloween shows, and we'll be performing somewhere else. I'm super excited for that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.